Reaction of Indonesia capital market investor. Abstract. The study was as even study that aimed to find empirical evidence of the reaction of Indonesia capital market investor towards the implementation of tax amnesty. The population of this study were consisting of several index lists of the Indonesia stock exchange during the study period. The data used were secondary data in the form of daily sectorial index 5 days before and 5 days after the event. The statistical the used to test the hypothesis we parent sample test. The capital market as one of the economic instruments of a country is heavily influenced by events. This event can come from internal companies, issuers, and the external companies. Event that come from internal company is a micro event, so it will only affect the fluctuation of price and volume of trading company shares. Will event from external company is a macro event, so that will affect the fluctuation in price and volume of stock trading of companies is a sector in the capital market will be reflected in influenced in stock price index and trading volume, and even will affect the stock price and volume of trade if the event be investor is seen as a relevant event, so it has information context. This information is very important in order to obtain a description of risks and advantages rector in order to form an optimal portfolio on of the macro event which are deemed to contain information relevant to investor is the implementation of tax amnesty. Hypothesis development. Hypothesis development trading volume activity is the sales volume of any transaction that occurs on the stock market at any given moment and on certain series. Trading volume activity is one factor that gives effect to stock price movement. Trading volume is a key element in predicting stock price movement. Trading volume is seen as important part of the information that gives the signal of the next price movement where the stock price cannot be delivered to the market players, markets, and things. Some studies have proven the linkage between trading volume and stock price. Methods. The population of the rise, the shares are sectoral index in Indonesia Stock Exchange (IDX) in November 2018 as much as 10 sector index. This research is a consensus study because it as all sector index listen in IDX, so that unit of analysis of the research is which is proxy with sector index, so the unit of analysis of the research is sector index on ETX. The reason for causing a record sectoral index as the unit of analysis of this research is based of the consideration that the implementation of that image policy is a macro policy affecting all companies listed on the ETX and the impact not only for a moment, so that is analysis the impact must be accurate by using sectoral index. Discussion. The result show that there is significant abnormal return AR and abnormal trading volume activity ATVA around the occurrence of tax amnesty. Even this indicates that Indonesia capital market investors do not react around the date of the tax amnesty event. The results show that between the pre-event and event date of occurrence of tax amnesty inflation is significant, except but there is a difference effort abnormal return which can show that no reaction of Indonesia capital market investor to the implementation of tax amnesty. The reason show that there is abnormal return of the average TVA between the pre-event and event date, the occurrence, the amnesty, the tax ampliation. Capital market investor between the pre-event and event date of the amnesty inflation. The reason show that between the event date and post-event the concern of the tax amnesty inflation that is inclusive in average abnormal return, but on the other hand in actually distort the average EVA, so it can be consulted that the is reaction of Indonesian capital market investor to be inflation of tax amnesty. The reason show that between the pre-event and post-event the occurrence of tax amnesty implication there is impression it effort abnormal return, but on the other hand there is difference is every TVA, so that does not reflect of the reaction of Indonesia capital market investor to the event of the implementation of tax amnesty because is not accompanied by the increase of transaction. The finding supports some previous studies. The study of Rohman Didit and Kipti 2009 found significant abnormal return the pre-event and event date at the period of stock split announcement of manufacturer companies at EDX. The resultant study of Haryanto 2011 conclude the investor did not react to information cash defended as Indonesia stock. Exchange study of Mahaputra and Purbawangsa 2015 found of significant effect of the abnormal return at pre-event and post-event of parliamentary election in 2014. Pratama Sinarwati and Dharmawanti 2015 also did not find significant effect of the abnormal return before and after the e-notes of President Joko Widodo study of Bhavani and Kukunuru 2016 did find overcorrection of Dubai financial market stock with return of the of even the of Dubai financial market. Gunarsi and Perwitasari 2019 also found no reaction before and after the release of relocation in TVA to the change of capital market tick size relocation in May to ND 2016 based the test resultant of all hypotheses show that there is possibly reaction of Indonesia capital market investor to be implementation of tax amnesty. This happened for two reasons, namely, first, that tax amnesty is government policy aimed at addressing Indonesia citizens who are kept abroad so as not to direct affect Indonesia capital market. Second, the tax amnesty policy is a long-term purpose in impacts will be felt in the next few years, cited 2070, so that investors do not directly respond be implicit of the tax amnesty. Consolidation and suggestion. Consolidation. Right. The result of short research show that around the even date of the implementation of the tax amnesty and between pre-even and even date of the implementation of the amnesty, there is difference is abnormal return on the average volume of trading TVA, which indicates that Indonesian capital market investors do not react positively to tax amnesty. Even the reason of research of so that there is average interest of abnormal return between event date and post even the implementation of the tax amnesty and pre-event and post-event the implementation of tax event, but on the other hand, three triggers of activity of average trade volume TVA. It shows that increase of abnormal return is only procedure because it's not complete. Beyond increase is the volume trading activity, so it can be considered that there is no reaction of Indonesia capital market investor in the outturn of tax amnesty. Suggestion. This research was a main adjust model in estimating expected rate of return. Therefore, for further it's inadvisable to try to use market adjusted model and market model and use their model. Then the result of calculation of the their model and B component to work impact the result. This reaction use only indicator of market reaction measure EA abnormal on trading volume activity is measured B the records of trade. Therefore, for further research is a suggestion to the level of indicators of market reaction measure such of stock trading volume and bid ask spread to enrich the reason of the chart. Reference Atmati ARN Plifader P. Avandi U. N. Utama S. Bhavani G, and Kukunuru SK. Chan K and Fong Wei. Gopinath S and Krishnamurti C. Gunarsi and Perwitasari. Hartono, Izeldin M, Mahajan and Singh, Mahaputra and Purbawangsa, Manulang, Pratama, Sinawarti and Dharmawana, Rohman, Didit and Kiptiah, Said, Ewe, Sukmaja, QQ and Wushi. Thank you.